So hello Java developers, let's solve another question problem of Java 500 program series. That is our 10th question problem of string basics. That is concatenate string means हमें क्या करना है, दो strings को ऐड करना है, ठीक, कॉन्केट करना है. So let's do this. Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file concatenate.java. Concatenate करना है and create our class. So public class concatenate, go inside this and write man method public static void man scanner class object scanner s equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon, and then import that. Okay, import. After that, let's take two strings. Okay, system dot out dot println, enter first string plus, sorry, do not use any plus, and write string str1 equal to sc dot next line semicolon, system dot out dot println, enter second string and remove these lns because we do not want to take string input from next line. Okay, string str2, string 2 is sc dot next line semicolon. Okay, now we take two strings. After that, now use string result equal to string 1 dot concate string 2 and use semicolon. Okay, after that print that result. Okay, string after concate plus result. Okay, now run this program. Enter first string, that is hello, and second string world. So hello world will print hello world. So we have two strings. We concate these two strings. Okay, now I use different method to do this using plus operator. Okay, how to do this? Okay, let's take result and string 1 plus empty string plus string 2, as simple as that. Okay, so this is a way to use plus operator to concate these strings. Okay, now run this program and let's take first string hello and second string world. So it will print us hello world. Okay, like this way. So this is a way to concate string by using plus operator. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will meet in our upcoming video of Java 500 program series. Okay, so we have done this program.